Hi, I'm Sean from Short and Sweet Adobe Training. I've been a qualified graphic designer for almost 20 years and a certified Adobe trainer for almost 10. At Short and Sweet, our team prides itself on providing quality, one-on-one Adobe training. We offer training across Adobe InDesign, Photoshop, Illustrator, After Effects, Premiere Pro, InCopy, and Acrobat. At Short and Sweet, our one-on-one approach makes our training tailored, convenient, and flexible. But what are we doing outside? Let's go upstairs in the studio, just up there, and take a look at some of our courses. So this is where our team of trainers deliver our Adobe courses, or we can come and see you in your office. You might be a marketing professional who's been told by the boss that you are now a graphic designer. Perhaps you're a personal assistant, a bid manager, part of a comms team, a fashion designer, a school teacher. There are so many different people that need Adobe training. In our courses, we like to focus on tasks. We get you working straight away on basic tasks, setting up a document from scratch, all the way through to doing a layout, retouching whatever the course may be, to then finally exporting and preparing your file for use online on web or for print. In addition to your training, you'll also receive support in the form of these printed Adobe guides. You'll also get emailed to you a video recap series to help you refresh, and we offer 2 months email support should you hit any roadblocks post-training. So why not fill out the inquiry form underneath this video or call the number on your screen now and speak to one of our Adobe team members. Ding! I need like a little thing on my teeth. All right, that'll do.